Skuru ya Mount Kenya University ni amukirite mbasi njero dware kendo tethiria kiningendo mwanya ciaritwa na rimo skuru ne wa kere VC wa skuru Profesa Jaganyi agwite mathaga ya yarewe michetho ya teithia bunene ukiria ritwa ndene ya skuru yo.
Narwa VC wa Mount Kenya University Professor Deogratius Jaganyi na riongete campus ya Meru arini tumibida tu kiambere ni kuona kunenkaniria kuotongeria boboeru kuweja na mathaga ja michetho kiria ritwa na kinya kurigoria mbasi njeru ya skuru eje.
One was to be able to see the handover of changing of the leadership, which we have done. We are taking Madam Karen to Embu and Mr. Video to Meru. And the second thing was really to hand over the sports gear to the students. And the third was to hand over the new bus to our students.
Profesa uyu nogete gitumikia mbasi njeru ja skuru ya Meru ni arito ba miurete ni ontwira bari nayo yari nkuru na ni abathimagira gwita guntu mwanya mono michethone ndrwama kana kinyangendo cha kithomo.
They also requested a bus because the bus that they had was quite old and therefore could not take them to all the other places. Our student plays a lot of sports. They participate in other extracurricular activities like drama and things like that. And therefore they need to have the bus so that they can actually be able to get where they want to go safely. And therefore we have come up with a new bus, and it also gives them motivation. It motivates them to realize that the management is really committed to making them have that university experience or the MKU experience. So we have brought them a new bus.
Ke ripotrate to shewero reakwari eto ne motugen kare.